In this episode of Ghost Host Kitchen, we are making lemon ice box pie. Now, this is a really good and tasty pie. Got a hint of tartness to it, and it's all around enjoyable. But not just any lemon pie. We are going to make this entire pie completely from scratch, starting with the crust. So we start with graham crackers, add in white and brown sugar. And you're going to mix that with melted butter, a lot of melted butter. This is what holds the crust together. It gives it also a taste that is so much better than a store-bought graham cracker crust. So you just mix those, whisk them together. And then put them into your pie pan. And you're going to press these crumbs out into a crust. It really helps to use a spatula or a spoon. You can also use your fingers if you like. But you want to make sure that they're really pressed down good. Because when it comes time to serve this pie, you want a good strong crust to be able to be easily lifted out of the pie pan. Of course, to finish the crust off, you bake it at 350 for 10 minutes. While it's baking though, let's form your filling. It starts with 2 cans of condensed milk. Condensed milk is a milk that has been condensed down, mixed with some sugars, and it's really sweet, tastes really good. Add to that 5 egg yolks. You can always, of course, use the egg whites to make some meringue or something else, another dish. Then you're going to add your lemon juice. We're adding a cup of lemon juice to this. Just stir it all together. Mix it up really, really well. By this time your pie should be done. Your pie crust rather should be done. And you just add that filling into your pie crust. Now this filling is enough to make 2 pies or 1 very thick pie with a little bit left over, but you're going to bake it so that it sets. You can also not bake it, but you'll have a different result. It will taste just as good, but you won't have cooked your eggs, so there's some concern there. Now, to this pie, we're going to top it off with some whipped cream. I love lots of whipped cream. You use powdered sugar, heavy cream, and vanilla extract. And then you just start beating the living fool out of this thing. Just beat on it with your mixer. You're going to get lots of air in there, and it's going to become stiff. It's going to become stiff, give it a little stir, and it'll look like what you see on the screen. Now that you can then either just put on your pie or you can pipe it on. Either way, it'll be great. So thanks for watching, and I invite you to subscribe and check out some of our other videos. We have a collection of well over 100 videos of different things that we've made. Take a look at one of these that's on the screen now. Thanks for watching.